Welcome to Mathematics Anyone. Today I will teach you Algebra 2, this topic. Multiplying and dividing rational expression. Multiply and divide rational expression. I will divide my class in two sections, okay? The first section, I will to simplify rational expression, the first section. The second part of my class, I will to multiply and divide rational expression, okay? Multiply and divide rational expression is my second part of my class, okay? Just, I'm gonna give some examples in each topic, okay? So welcome to Mathematics Anyone. So I have one problem here, simplify the rational expression here. He says this is the first problem, simplify 27j plus 27 divided by j plus 1, right? So let's go and then solve our problem. So first step, the first step, we have to first factor and then cancel the common numbers. So first we have to factor the expression, okay? And then find the common factors, the first step, all right? So then I will to write here 27j, 27, yeah, we have to factor here. Maybe write the step, no, let's, yeah, this factor, the first step, factor and then cancel, then cancel the common factors. So I think this is the first step, all right? So here, then we will have 27. This is step 27 times, we are gonna factor times j plus 1, right? On top. In the bottom, please you write j plus 1 in the bottom. This is step we call factor, and here factor is the step D, and then the GCF, right, of the numerator, yeah, numerator. Yeah, that was a step which is 27, right? This is the second step right here. Then what is the next? Next step, I will to write the number again, just to show you what happened here. In this step, you see immediately what is the thing that we have to do it. This step, just cancel the same, right? So cancel the common factors here. What is the common factor? Here we have to cancel this, we have to cancel this. Cancel here, cancel the common factor. Cancel the common factor. Then you write next step 27. In the bottom you will have 1, right? This is a simplify. This is the simplify, and then the answer, what is the answer? The answer is 27, right? This is the answer. 27 divided by 1 is equals 27, right? Equals 27. Yeah, and that's it. That's the way to find the answer. So let me show you another one more problem with this in this section. One more problem. Let's simplify another. Let's only simplify here. simplify another problem. No, don't do anything else. So 7, let's write 7 divided by 7 times s to the second power minus 5 5z. No, let's write c in both. C, let's write the variable z. Okay, so that will our problem. So first step, being factor and factor out here. Factor out. Factor out. That's called the way. Factor out the G C CF of what? Of the denominator. The denominator here, or what? No, this is the denominator of the. In the last problem, the first one, we factor out the GCF of the numerator, but now it's the denominator. So the bottom ones, the number and the bottom, right? That's and then which is here. Which number? What is the which number? And the bottom, which is Z, right? Yeah, Z. I think it's Z. So this is the way. Okay, and then if you do that, you will have, look at this, Z. It's let's write C here because it's gonna be very confused for you. Okay, write C. Don't confuse. Write C. Here we are gonna have C. And the bottom say C. Outside C. C times inside 7z, porque this is a square, right? Minus in the bottom minus 5. All right. So now cancel. We have to cancel the common factors. Cancel the common factor. Cancel. The common factors. Let me, you cancel the common factors here. Let me write again this. Z, 7z minus 5. What is the common factors? The common factors, that's why at the beginning I write 7, but it's going to be confused. So I write z, okay? So now we have to cancel the common factors. That's the common factors. So now simplify. You will have here 1 on top divided by 7z minus 5. Right? That's it. So now simplify. You simplify here. That's it. Can I simplify? This is this is our answer. Okay, this is our solution. 1 divided by 7z minus 5. That's the answer. So simplify the problem. That's it. Okay, now let me go to the second part of my class. Today is very easy class, not hard. It's algebra 2. It's like a little bit more complex like algebra 1, but it is easy. It is not hard. Just write multiply and divide. Now we have to multiply and divide rational expression. All right. So when you multiply and divide the expression, you simplify the expression. Let's see, like it's right and in simplest form. So we have to get the answer in simplest form. All right. I don't want to write anymore. So let's see this y to the second power, right? This little problem divided by times 3y plus 2 times 3y plus 1 divided by 4y to the second power minus 4 minus 3, right? This is our problem. So we have to multiply. When you multiply the numbers, just multiply this by this, numerator by denominator, denominator by denominator. Just multiply everything. It's very, very easy. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominators. So here, multiply. So multiply the numerators, okay? And then the numerators, and then multiply numerator and multiply the denominators, right? See, right? That's the step. And then you do that, we will have here y to the second power times, all right, between the parentheses 3y plus 1. See, more easier. And then the bottom 3y plus 2 times 4y to the second power plus y minus y, 4y minus 3. That's it. Multiply this, factor the quadratic. Here we have to factor the quadratic. Factor we have the quadratic equation right there. Let's write and the bottom again. I know one more step right here. 2y to the second power times y plus 1. In the bottom, 3y plus 2. Factor this. If we factor this, no, not this. This one. You will have 2y here. 2y. You will have 2y minus 3 times 2y plus 1. 2y plus 1. That's the factor for this trinomial. All right. Once you have, then the answer. So the answer is easy right now. Is the answer is right now y to the second power times 3y plus 1. And the bottom just write 3y y plus 2, the same numbers, 2y minus 3 times 2y plus 1. Okay, so which this problem, which we are able to write it in the other way. We can also reading as this is the other way to write this. Look at this. We are gonna have 3y to the third power plus on top y squared, right? You multiply this and the bottom, just write just development 12y to the second power not third power, not second, third power. Yeah, third power minus 4y, now minus 4y to the second power, now it's to the second power, and then minus 17, right? The last one, 17y minus 6. This is another way to write the answer. This one. Let me make a square right here. All right. That's the solution our problem. Okay. Let's. This is a multiplication. Now let's go to divide. Divide. Another problem. Let's solve another problem. Two problems in each one. So, and this problem we have to divide. So now divide. Let's divide this number. Let's write 4w minus 5 divided by w plus 3 divided by this divided by 20w to the third power minus 25 w squared. Okay, that's our problem. So now remember, here we have to remember this rule. Divide by a function is multiply its reciprocal. So what divide is, when you divide these numbers, just multiply is equals to multiply by the reciprocal. For instance, the reciprocal this one is 1 on top, this is in the bottom, this is 1 in the bottom, right? This is like to divide 1. So multiply by reciprocal. Divide in numbers is equals to, let me write the rule. Okay. Remember this, to divide by a function, and this in our problem, so just multiply by its reciprocal. By its, all right? That's the rule that we have, or you must to remember. We must to remember, right? So, ready? So, let's go to solve this problem. It is not hard, very easy. You have all problem right there. So now rewrite the second expression as a function. So here, rewrite the second expression as a function. As a function. Okay, so which is here 4w minus 5, and the bottom just the same denominator, w plus 3. Okay, w plus 3, but here we have to like I told you, just rewrite 20 w third minus 25 w to the second power is like 1. Okay, now to divide, multiply by reciprocal. Now to divide, so next step, to divide, multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal, so we have to switch, right? The problem. So write everything here. 4w minus 5, w plus 3. The reciprocal is gonna be like this: 1, 20 w to the second power 25w to the second power. Okay, right there. We are here. See? Now factor out. Now we have to factor out. Factor out the CF, okay, which is what is the weight? We have to factor out. You factor out in the bottom here. No, it is the same. 4w minus 5 divided by w plus 3 times, in the top is 1, but in the bottom, this factor out, we have to find 5w squared. 5w squared is outside, and then inside, just write 4 is 20. 4w, inside 4w, minus 5. Yeah, minus 5. Yeah, because it's 1w times w is third. It's right here. Okay, we are here. So now let me erase the top, all these letters to continue with this. Let me go. We are here. Okay, we are here. We are this step. Let me go and continue. I will continue right here. All right. So cancel the common factors here. Is the step is cancel. And cancel the common factor. We are right here. See, cancel. I will to write the same thing here. Is just I will to cancel the factor out. 4w minus 5 w plus 3 times 1 5w square. It's a square, and 4w minus 5. See, cancel the factor out. What is the common factors? The common factors. Oh, and this way we don't have just when you multiply by 1 here, by 1 also here. Also right here. We have to in this problem we have to write let me write more step, because maybe we get confused here in this. I think no, I don't wanna skip the step. Look at this. We are here. We are once we are here in this point. Next step is when we have to multiply everything, no factorize, no cancel the x factors. Let's write the 4 right here, multiply by this. I multiply everything. Oh, we have 4w minus 5, right? Then in the bottom we will have in the bottom now 5w squared. Now is ready, times w plus 3 times 4w minus 5, right? And right there. See, now we are correct. So now cancel the common factors. So cancel the common factors. Let me erase it this. I don't need it. So let's write again the problem to show you. So write 4w minus 5, 4w to the second power times w plus 3 times 4w minus 5. So cancel the factor, but we have to cancel which one? Cancel this one and this one, right? See now? Now simplify. So you simplify here, you will have 1 on top, and then in the bottom, 5w to the second power times w plus 3. That's it, right? So this is the answer. So the answer is, this is the answer. It's right here. But which we as also, which we are able to write the other way. This answer. Be writing as let's see, as 1. Just development is multiply everything. We are going to have 5 times w to the third power plus 5w to the second power. Right? This is another way to. This is one way to write the answer, and this is the other way. This one is correct, and this one is correct. It's 2 ways to write the answer. Right? Got it? So multiplying and dividing rational expression. Okay? That's it for today. So I hope my class helped you in any question in algebra 2. Okay? So thank you so much for being